My name is Drew Edelstein. I'm pursuing a major in media studies with minors in film studies and management, and I'm currently a junior at Webster University. I'm pursuing my degree right now as a hybrid, but the flexibility that Webster offers between in-person and online courses is really, really useful because it allows me to really build my schedule and to pursue classes that best suit me and best fit my needs. Webster University is set apart from other higher education options just because it's such a close-knit and almost like intimate campus. Webster does a lot to try and help make students feel at home. I know when I got started, they had luncheons and meet-togethers for transfer students. I would recommend Webster University to prospective students. I think that it's a place where there is something for everyone, even if it takes a little bit of looking. I am Pi Theta Kappa, and I chose Webster.